How to transfer USDT from MEXC to Binance. Hello everybody, in order to do so you may follow up the steps. So first of all, open up the MEXC application, and once you log in, you may look at the wallet option within your right hand side of the screen in the bottom right and tap on it. Now once you are there, here you will be finding your wallet. You just need to look out for the withdraw option within the screen and tap on it in order to open it up. And then once you open up withdraw, from the given option, select a cryptocurrency, which is USDT. So just go ahead and type in USDT and search for it, and it will give you select withdrawal option. Select the option of on-chain withdrawal, transfer crypto to wallet or other exchanges. And once you go ahead and tap on it, here you need to enter up the withdrawal address of your Binance. So what you may do is head over and open up the Binance application first on your device, and once you open it up, from the given options of your Binance as well, you need to head over to wallets and head over to spot, and from there look out for deposit option, and from there you may just go ahead and select USDT within the cryptocurrency. And then once you select it, select Tron TRC20, and once you open it up, here you will be getting the deposit address. You may just head over and copy up the particular address, and once you just go ahead and copy up the address, you may just go ahead and paste the address in MEXC that we left earlier, the part. After that, select the network's Tron TRC20, and once that is done, you just need to enter the withdrawal amount and confirm it, and then there you go. It may take about 2 to 3 minutes for the transfer to be completed. And that's it. That is how you transfer USDT from MEXC to Binance. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.